Tooliom Welding Helmet pursues high-cost performance. It has auto darkening, true color technology, easy to operate, lightweight shell, etc., to achieve the real value of the welding helmet. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Flip-up design. Convenience to adjust. Allow workers to handle non-welding tasks without removing the helmet or supplementing an additional face shield. Number 2. 1/1/2 optical class with true color technology. Number 3. Auto darkening filter switches from light to dark in 0.003 seconds. Number 4. Multiple adjustment joints can satisfy your head perfectly, offering better comfort. Number 5. Package included: 1x welding helmet, 1x replaceable clamshell protector lens, 1x replacement outer protector lens, 1x replacement inner protector lens, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does this helmet have the cheater lens clips for attachment? Answer: yes. Question number 2. Where do you get replacement headbands? Do you offer a hard hat headband? Answer: we haven't headband on sale yet, and this headgear is compatible with our welding helmet. Question number 3. Is this shell swappable with the lenses and auto darken plate from the Optical Light Flip Autopilot? Answer: sorry, the lens and an auto darken plate of the two welding helmets are different in size. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.